Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into a fun and engaging conversation between two friends catching up on their hobbies. Not only will you hear about their interesting activities, but you'll also get to learn some cool idioms and phrasal verbs that native English speakers use in everyday conversations. So, stick around and let's jump right into it.
Hey Sarah, long time no see. What have you been up to lately?
Hey, John. Not much. Just trying to keep busy. I've picked up a few new hobbies. How about you?
Same here. What kind of hobbies are you into these days?
Well, I've gotten really into hiking. It's a great way to blow off some steam and enjoy nature. Plus, it's good exercise. How about you?
That sounds awesome. I've been bitten by the gardening bug. It's so satisfying to see something you've planted grow. Plus, my backyard looks fantastic now.
That's great! I tried gardening once, but I don't exactly have a green thumb. What else have you been doing?
I've also been dabbling in cooking. Trying out new recipes is fun, and I get to eat delicious food at the end. It's a win-win.
That's cool. I love cooking too. There's nothing like whipping up a homemade meal. Any favorite recipes so far?
I've perfected a mean lasagna. It's become a family favorite. What about you? Any hidden talents?
I've started learning guitar. I'm not great yet, but it's really fun. I've always wanted to play an instrument, and it's a great way to unwind after work.
That's so cool. I've always wanted to play the guitar, but never got around to it. Maybe I'll give it a shot someday.
You should! It's never too late to pick up something new. Any other hobbies on your list?
I'm thinking about getting into photography. It looks like a fun way to capture memories and explore creativity.
Photography is awesome. I've dabbled in it a bit, and it's so rewarding to capture that perfect shot. Plus, it's a great excuse to travel and explore new places.
Absolutely. Speaking of which, we should plan a hiking and photography trip sometime. Kill two birds with one stone.
That sounds like a plan. Let's set a date and make it happen.
Here are the explanations for the idioms and phrasal verbs used in the conversation. Long time no see. This idiom means that a significant amount of time has passed since two people last saw each other. Keep busy. This phrasal verb means to stay occupied with activities or tasks. Blow off some steam. This idiom means to do something to relieve stress or frustration. Bitten by the gardening bug. This idiom means to develop a sudden interest or enthusiasm for gardening. Green thumb. This idiom refers to someone who is good at gardening and making plants grow well. Dabbling in. This phrasal verb means to take part in an activity in a casual or superficial way. Whipping up. This phrasal verb means to quickly prepare or make something, often food. Win-win. This idiom means a situation where all parties benefit or come out ahead. Unwind. This idiom means to relax and reduce stress after a period of work or tension. Get around to. This phrasal verb means to find the time to do something that one has been intending to do. Pick up. This phrasal verb means to learn or acquire a new skill or habit. Kill two birds with one stone. This idiom means to accomplish two tasks with a single effort. Dabbled in. This phrasal verb, similar to dabbling in, means to take part in an activity in a casual or superficial way. Set a date. This idiom means to choose a specific day for an event or activity. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below telling us what country you're from. We'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more fun and educational content. Keep practicing your English, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.